Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a singer that you like. You should say who this person is, what type of songs he sings, what type of people like to listen to his songs, and explain why you like him.
One of my favorite singers is Abhijeet Singh. He is a versatile Indian playback singer who has lent his voice to a variety of Bollywood films and independent music. He is known for his soulful voice and ability to express emotions through his singing. Abhijeet Singh sings a wide range of songs, including romantic ballads, peppy dance numbers, and soulful melodies. His songs have been featured in many Bollywood films, and he has also released several independent albums. Abhijeet Singh's music is enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. His romantic ballads are especially popular among young adults and couples, while his peppy dance numbers are enjoyed by people who like to dance and have a good time. His soulful melodies have a universal appeal, making them popular with people of all ages and backgrounds. Abhijeet Singh has a huge fan base due to his ability to emote and connect with listeners through his singing. He has a unique voice that is both powerful and emotive, and he brings a depth of emotion to every song he sings. His music has a way of touching the hearts of listeners and taking them on an emotional journey. His music is also well produced, with excellent arrangements that complement his singing. In conclusion, Abhijeet Singh is a popular singer in India who is known for his soulful voice and ability to express emotions through his music. He has a wide range of fans who appreciate his ability to connect with listeners through his singing, and his music has a universal appeal. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.